we're going to get the professional one out and we'll be able to see then how good this is against a professional beast. So today on the channel we're going to be doing a test with the Kärcher K7. Now as you can see, this is as it would have come from the factory, and also I've got the original attachment back on. The only difference is I have actually got a join there, as you can see, because obviously I usually have this set quite differently to this. We've got 10 trays and we're going to find out how long it takes to clean them before I get a professional Karcher out, because that's the idea. We're going to get the professional one out and we'll be able to see then how good this is against a professional beast, because at the moment that is a domestic model. Let's be fair, can it do the same as a professional? The only way of finding out, let's give it a go. So that's our timer set, so let's go for it. Start. I mean, these are quite dirty.
Kärcher K7, high performance residential cold water pressure washer. Pressure is around 180 to 200 bar. Flow rate is approximately 600 litres per hour. Cold water only, and relies on high pressure rather than heat for cleaning. Designed for tough home and light commercial cleaning jobs. Advantages in the 10 tray wash off: lightweight and more portable, allowing for quick repositioning. Sufficient pressure for general dirt and grime removal. Efficient for less intensive cleaning jobs.
So stop. So that's 13 minutes 11:98. That's to do 10 trays. Now I dare to say, I think the professional one will most likely do it quicker. So that's our 10 trays done. So in the next part of the video, we're going to be getting the big beast out. The full Monty. The real Karcher. The day of the Jekyll is here. I wanted to know myself which is best out of the two. But I'm thinking that Karcher has done those trays in a reasonable time. Now, if you're comparing it with the Works Hydroshot, there was really no comparison, was it? So we're back again, and the crazy thing is, we've now got the beast out. Now there she is, the Karcher. Now this is a big model altogether. This is a professional one, it is diesel, and I will tell you straight, we're not going to be using diesel. We are going to be using it as it comes, to be honest, because it would only be fair to go against the K7, because obviously the K7 is, you know, straight water, cold, and we're now going to operate this exactly the same cold. The only difference is this is from the 1980s, so we can't expect too much from it. But I am interested to see exactly out of these trays what time we can do it in, because I'll give you some idea. It was yesterday when I originally filmed this. All right, now today it's a little bit warmer. Yesterday it was minus, so I was freezing, so I couldn't really stay any longer. That's the figure we set yesterday, and we're now going to start her up and go for it and see if we can beat that time. I don't think we're going to be far off. Now I've actually checked this out on AI. I know you shouldn't do this, just on curiosity to see which one's going to be the winner. Now quite clearly on AI it says, I'm not going to tell you. I ain't going to let the cat out of the bag. Just keep watching and find out. Right, we'll get the timer set up and we'll get on with the job. And today I'm going to be wearing my gloves because it was damn freezing yesterday. So let's go for it. Gloves on. Ugh. Same as yesterday, we'll get the trays wet to start with. Just makes it a little bit easier. Do the outsides first.
Kärcher HDS 650, professional hot water pressure washer. Pressure is typically around 150 to 200 bar. Flow rate is approximately 450 to 800 litres per hour, depending on the model settings. includes a burner system capable of heating water up to 80 to 155 degrees Celsius, designed for industrial-grade cleaning tasks, removing grease, oils, and heavy dirt efficiently. Advantages in the 10-tray wash-off. Hot water melts grease and stubborn residues, making it faster for heavy-duty cleaning. Higher water flow and pressure mean it covers more surface area quickly, built for endurance in long, demanding tasks.
Look at that, 8 minutes 46. So that's 10 trays in that short period of time. Now, there's no kidding about it. I didn't expect that because I thought the K7 was like banging. Now, I understand why professionals use this model. Dare to say, I vaguely remember, I think I paid around about 12 to 1500 quid for this. That's including accessories as well I bought for it. I think 1988. Now, it is realistically, that is a diesel machine. We'll just flick the bonnet and have a look. And you might have seen this in another video. That's basically what fires it up. Got little spark plugs on the top, fuel goes in, and that's your burner. And that's it. There isn't really much inside. And basically that's the thing that operates the pressure of the water. And obviously the flow on this is completely higher than a K7, which you'd obviously expect. But the difference with a K7, you can pick a K7 up for around about 400 or 500 quid. I mean, originally they were up at 700 quid. This today, you can't buy. But you could probably buy an equivalent version and they'll fetch, I reckon, probably around about 2,000 to 3,000 quid. If you want a hot wash. Now, hot wash is ideal for these trays. Because realistically, I should have been doing them with hot wash, but actually it still does the job. You can see they're all nice and clean. The other ones have already gone to the bakery and I'm using them. Interesting one for me. I never thought for 1 minute that K7 was actually going to do as well as it did, because that still ain't bad. I mean, a K7 is a domestic machine. It's not made for doing trays really, but it's a lazy trick. If you want to use that type of thing, you can use it. And if you like that type of video, check out this video, because there's one up here that might interest you as well. Well, there you go, folks. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And if you want to buy me a coffee, there's a link just here. All you have to do is put your mobile phone on it and I'll be happy. Laters.